Today I will be making a routine scrapbook. So if you do not know what routine is a daily timetable you do every day, and I will be making a scrapbook on that. So I guess we should start. Let's see the materials, what we need. So for this we'll need color paper. I'm taking light blue color, orange color, pink color, and lavender and dark green color. So, and next we'll need blue. Of course we'll need blue. And we'll need these stickers. I'm taking star stickers. You could take any decorating material you like. And I have some pictures in here, my daily routine pictures. I have printed out them. And next I have punching machine. If you do not have punching machine, what you could do is you could take a pen that has no ink, it will work. Some decorative tape. I'm taking pink, I don't know what we call this. I'm taking it pink for now. Some sketches, some sketch pens. I have lots of colors in here. And we'll need scissors. So let's see the step by step how to do. So first I'm gonna take one of my craft paper. I'm taking purple color in here. Now I'm gonna mark in the side of our paper. I'm gonna mark dots in here. So I'm gonna first mark this part. For some reasons I don't have my scale, so I'm gonna use my hands so that it will be a little easy. Okay, so I'm gonna use my hands like this, and at the really over here we're gonna mark it, and in the middle we're gonna again mark it. That's good. Now we are gonna take our punching machine and we're gonna punch it. So if you don't know how to use a punching machine, first you take a punching machine, you keep it in, and then you're gonna and see, you got it done. And if you have a pen, for example this is a no ink pen, you're gonna put it in and it will get you a circle like this. So I'll do the same with these two. So now I'm gonna take my punched paper and I'm gonna put another paper at the back. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take I'm gonna take blue color and I'm gonna make dot like this. And next I will be punching this. So I've done all of them. I have done all the colors. I've done lavender, I've done green, I've done pink, I've done light blue, and I have even done orange. So what we should do next, we should take our ribbon and we should put our ribbon like this. We should tie it. So let's see the process. What I've done is I've taken this maroon color ribbon and I have tied the ribbon in like this. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it. So when I open, I get pages like this. It's really easy, you can do it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a pen and I am gonna design the first cover of my scrapbook. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a line like this. You could see once, guys, I have made a line like this. Now I'm gonna make another straight line like this. Now I'm gonna make this part and I'm gonna make another straight line. Over here, I'm gonna join both of these lines now. There you go, that's good. Now you're gonna write your name. So first in down, you're gonna write your name. I'm gonna write here. My real name is Visterna Akhil, so I'm gonna write here Visterna. For now, I'm gonna write here Visterna. And now in here, I'm gonna write my class. So I'm in 3D class. So that means I'm in 3rd grade and my division is D. And now you're gonna write your subject in here. My subject is Hindi, so I'll write here Hindi. I'm gonna write Hindi in here. So guys, if my Hindi spelling is wrong, currently tell me in the comment section, I can correct it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a curved line like this. And I'm gonna take another colored pen and I'm gonna write my I have written my subject, my name, and my class here. Now I'm gonna write the topic in here. So meet you after writing. So I have written here Mera Dincharya. That means my routine. Now when I flip one page, I will fold this paper like this. Now I'll do that with all of the papers. So I have done this one. Now let's do this. Now again, I'm gonna do this one and this one. Okay. Now we are gonna paste one of my pictures. So right here I have waking up picture. I'm gonna take my glue. So I have not printed out these. You could even print out if you would like. I am just cutting pictures from my old class second standard books, and I am cutting these and I'm sticking it here. You could take your brother, your small sister, or your small brother, anyone's. You could take old book and you could cut down these pictures. So I've first taken wake up. Next page I'm gonna stick here getting ready. So I have a uniform picture. I'm gonna take glue and I will stick it over here. Now this indicates waking up. I mean, we wrote here waking up. Next we have written here getting ready. Next I will take here bread and egg. So in breakfast I'm saying, not in dinner or in lunch. Okay, so I'm gonna write a plus sign. And now I'm gonna stick this picture. This indicates breakfast. So first I wake up. Next I get ready. Next I eat my breakfast. Next, in the next page, I'm gonna take going to school picture. And at the back, I'm gonna put here some glue. And I'm gonna stick it here. Now the next page I'll do homework. So over here I'm doing homework. Over here. So after coming back from school, I do my homework, of course. So I'm gonna stick doing homework in here. Next we're gonna again flip it. And over here we're gonna do dinner. So I'm eating my dinner in here. This is a girl. Finally I got a girl picture. So let's take some glue again. I'm gonna stick it. Good. Now I'm gonna take this page and I'm gonna stick it down. And there you go. I have to stick all of the pictures in here. So I'm gonna write here what it indicates to what it is. So we're gonna write here. So meet you after writing. So guys, I'm not gonna write down in now. You could write it in your what you're gonna write in your scrapbook. Just write it down here. Stick your picture right down here. So I'm gonna show you how to decorate. So I'm gonna take these star pictures. I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna stick out. Okay. So I'm gonna stick it. And now I'm gonna take golden stickers. I love these stickers, guys. Seriously, these are so golden. I like it. Okay, that's good. Now the next page, I will again stick it. I even have some small stickers and these small circles I'm gonna stick afterwards at the last page. So now let's take this out. Stick. Oh no, it's just a green. It's okay, it's just a little bit. This is a little light, I guess, and this is a little dark. And because it's sparkly, it would not match. So I'm gonna take purple color now. And I'm gonna stick it in here. There you go. Now on the next page I will be taking golden color. Now I'm gonna get one out. Oopsies. It's okay. Oh, it looks like a boat. Good guys, it looks like a boat in here now. That's good because some children go in boat to school, so it's okay. It looks like a boat. If you guys agree with me, please give a thumbs up to this video. And I'm gonna take another sticker. I'm gonna remove and stick. Like that only I will be doing all the pages. Guys, I guess I didn't show you. I am even using these twinkle stickers. I'm gonna take one sticker. I'm taking the girl one. She is blinking. I'm gonna I'm gonna stick it here. And now I'm gonna take my small stars. I'm gonna take maybe pink. I love the color pink one. And I'm gonna stick it here like this. And I'm even gonna draw a heart like this. And fill it up. So guys, this is how I decorate. I'm gonna color that afterwards. So I guess we're gonna end this video, guys. So till then, take care, bye bye, and subscribe to my channel, guys, if you haven't. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like my scrapbook making, and please share this video to your best friends and even your family and friends, and tell them to subscribe my channel also. So, and if you can, please comment down below how you liked it. So I'll meet you in my next video, guys. Till then, take care and bye bye. Namaste.